Alright YouTube, Kevin Reese here. Today I got a little purchase I picked up for y'all on a Black Friday sale at Lowe's. This is the the little home mini, and it came with a GE Sea Life smart bulb. So 760 lumen bulb there. Hey Google, dim the lights. So we're going to see how this whole thing works. Here's some specs here on the back of it. The only reason I picked it up is because it was normally like 50 bucks, and it was on sale for 25 for the bulb and the little home mini. And a lot of places the mini was going for like 50 bucks itself. So I said, shoot, I'll go ahead and pick that thing up. Can't pass that deal. So let's go ahead and open it up, y'all. Let's get started. So it says plug in your Google Home Mini. It's pretty nice, guys. I mean, that's very simple. Plug in the Google Home Mini, screw in your smart bulb in the same room as your Google Home Mini, turn on the light, and then download the Google Home app to set up your Google Home Mini and smart bulb. So we're going to do this. And I've seen some reviews and stuff online of this thing, guys, where the people are doing the voice overlay and they're slow panning. All that stuff, but I like bringing y'all a real life review. Here's our little smart bulb. Something in here, don't know what it is yet, we'll find out. And this must be the Google Home Mini. And there's nothing else in the box, as you can see. So let's see what's in this little mystery package. Doesn't feel like anything. Sometimes a lot of times now they package these things just to make it so that nothing bounces around. And as you can see, this box is empty. This is our smart bulb here for every room. It says optimal daytime light. It's Bluetooth enabled, dim or brighten instantly. So it's dimmable with the app. Pretty cool, y'all. I'll probably put this in the light that I have here on my computer desk. So it's pretty neat that it comes with a smart light bulb itself. So it's kind of the whole kind of an all-in-one little setup here. It comes with the bulb, so you get everything. You don't even have to go buy a smart bulb. So here's your little smart bulb. So we'll set this to the side. GE. So then it tells you easily set up your bulb. So it just says plug in your Google Home Mini, screw in your bulb, turn on the light, download the app. Same instructions we have here, y'all. So Google Home Mini, chalk. So they make it pretty easy for you to open it. Rip that tab, and there it is. It's a nice thing here that cradles it. So there's the bottom of it. It's a pretty cool little device, y'all. So y'all can see it up close here. If I flip it over, you see you have a little looks like micro USB. You have looks like a little mic button where if maybe you can mute it or something. Not really sure. We'll figure that out. Got the little Google logo here, and this is rubberized, y'all. So I mean, if I set it down like that, it's not gonna, it's not gonna slide easily when you push it. So it'll stay put on the desk. Nice little touch. Good thinking. So we'll finish opening the box here, and you can see each one. It's neat, guys. Each section of this box you open says let's get started. So I mean, they just kind of walk you through it as you're opening the package. They walk you through the process. Let's get started. Get to know your Google Home Mini. So let's get started, and again, plug it in, get the app, get to know your Google Home Mini. So here you go. There's your mic switch. Turn the mic off, switch to show bright orange. So when you switch it and it's bright orange, turns the mic off. Tap the left side for volume down, long press, play and pause, and tap right side for volume up, long press, play, pause, so you can, play music on it also. Start with OK Google, and so say, hi, how can I help? And then, so living room, you see here, play The Crown on Netflix on my TV, pause the TV, let's play a game, dim the lights and play some music, find my phone, kitchen, bedroom, wake me up to music at 7 a.m., play relaxing sounds, good morning, play KEXP radio on Tune LN, and turn on the bedroom lights. So learn more, and then they have some more information if you want to follow that. And then be safe. There's your safety and warranty card. Going in here even more. This is our, so here's our plug-in, and here is our little micro USB adapter. So they haven't adopted USB-C yet, but this is a micro USB. You can see here you got the little G, the Google logo here with your plug. And I think that's everything out of the box, y'all. So if you look in there, there's nothing left. Let's go ahead and set everything up. All right, y'all, so we just plugged it in here. You can see you got some lights that are showing up here on the top.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So there you go. It tells you to go ahead and download the app. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and went to the little app store here, and I downloaded the Google Home app. So I'll just show y'all this. You just hit open. So there you go, you got Google, open it up, it says welcome home, your content and devices all in one place. You see here it says get started, so we'll go ahead and, so now it's just asking me what account I want to use with my Google Home app. So I'm going to pick one of my accounts. I'm not showing that right now because I don't want anybody to know. After you do that, you hit OK, and then it takes you to this screen here. It says your home in your hands. It says with the new Google Home app, you can find, control, organize, and manage your compatible lights, cameras, TVs, and more from just one place. One simple view with you in control. Shortcuts for the things that you do most, like turning on and off the lights or playing music. So y'all can read that. Check up on your home when you're away, or use it as a remote for your Google Home, Chromecast, and other devices. So you can select either watch now, how to use it, or either just dismiss. I'm just going to dismiss. It says create a home, so get started. Just assign your devices in your room and control everything in one place. So I'm going to get started. So here's our setup page. So you can set up devices or add existing devices to your home. So here it's got name your home, so you can choose a nickname for the home to set it up. So name your home, Kevin's room. Next. Location access is needed to detect nearby Wi-Fi signals and determine your location during the process. So I'll say next. So allow it. So location services enabled. It's going to look for devices. And it should find the little Google Home Mini right over here, and also the smart light bulb. So Google Home Mini found. Would you like to set up this device? Hit yes. And right now it's setting up. And I'm looking over here at the Google Home Mini, and it just has 4 lights on it. So it's connected. And that sound you just heard was the Google Home Mini. So this lets you know you're connected to the right Google Home Mini. I heard the sound. Y'all heard it too. So help improve Google Home Mini. Yeah, I'll share stats and stuff like that, so to help them out. So where is this device? I'll say bedroom. Next. Enter a name for this room. This will be added to your room list. So now what it's going to do is connect to your Wi-Fi, so you go ahead and connect it to your Wi-Fi. And I'm going to enter my password manually. So after you put your password in, you just connect to the Wi-Fi. So now it's connecting. So once you put your password in, it connects to your Wi-Fi. So right now it's connecting to my Wi-Fi. And I have my name covered. So right now it says it's connected. So before using your Google Assistant, here are a few things to know before using your Google Home Mini. Google Partner, Services and Privacy, let friends and family know. Okay, so next it says enter your address, but when you turn your location on, your address should pop up. Mine has already popped up, so I'm just going to hit confirm address. So this says add music services. So add your video services. So this lets you ask your Google Home Mini to stream videos on your TV or smart display. I'm not going to link any of that right now. It says stay in the know, so stay up to date on the latest features, services, and offers from Google Home and the Google Assistant. Plus receive survey invites to help improve your products in your home. So they're sending me an email. And I'm going to say no thanks. All done. So this is a review of what you've set up. So it's just some information down here at the bottom that I have covered, but it's just the things that we have set up as far as like address and device and the Wi-Fi name. So right now it's the latest Google Home Mini software update is being installed. It says about 4 minutes left, and you heard it just now making its noise. So it's installing software update to it as we speak. So if we go back through our steps here, y'all, I plugged it in, and I plugged the light that you're seeing right now that's coming down is from my desk lamp, and so I've screwed in that bulb, and I turned the light on. So once I turn this on, I should be able to tell it, right, so you see here 3.5 minutes left. I should be able to tell it, you know, turn the lights on and off or dim the lights, which I think is pretty cool, because going to bed, if you want to say read or something while you're in bed and keep the lights on, you know, you can always just kind of tell Google to either dim the lights or turn the lights off or whatever. And now it just came on and said want to set up your starter kit smart lights. So I'm going to say yes. Where is this device? Kevin's room. And you can give it a unique name also. So I'll say desk light. Setting up your smart light. So it'll say your smart light may blink a few times. Right now we have an update installing. You see the light just went off and went on, and went off and went on, off and on. You see it going off and on. That's pretty cool. Hey Google, dim the lights.
You got it. Dimming the desk light.
Wow, that's pretty cool. So it just dimmed the light. Hey Google, dim the lights again.
I can turn your lights on or off, dim or brighten your lights, and change the color of your lights.
Hey Google, dim the lights.
Okay, dimming the desk light.
Hey Google, dim the lights.
You got it. Dimming the desk light.
So you can say it, you can see here, y'all, you can say it over and over again as she dims it more and more. I say she because it's a female's voice. Hey Google, set the lights to 20%.
Okay, setting the desk light brightness to 20%.
Oh wow, so you can see, I'm going to turn this light off on my camera, y'all, and just kind of let y'all see here that it's done a pretty good job here. Hey Google, turn the lights to 100%.
You got it. Setting the desk light brightness to 100%.
That's pretty cool. Alright y'all, so some more options here. You can see that's what we just went through with the lights. Here's your music, so getting answers, asking it stuff, calling, setting a timer, tell me a joke, what sound does a whale make, and all that stuff. But right now as I'm talking, it's not, you know, lighting up or anything, but when I say like okay Google or hey Google, it'll automatically pick up. But just now I just said hey Google and it came up. So I'm going to hit finish setup here, and then it just says discover. So you got Google Assistant, a lot of different things you can do here, guys. It looks like a ton of stuff y'all can do. So I'm just going to go ahead, check some of this stuff out. Hey Google, dim the lights to 10%.
Sure, setting the desk light brightness to 10%.
You can see it just dimmed the lights a pretty good bit. So anyway, y'all, that's it. This is my review of it. And I guess if you want to, you wanted to mute it, and you can turn the volume up and down by tapping the sides and long pressing it and stuff. I'll play with all that in a little bit. But anyway, it's kind of a quick little setup and unboxing. I hope y'all like it. You can see here. So you can see here. See if you just kind of tap the side, it's kind of touch sensitive for like your volume. That's maxed out right there. So if I say, hey Google, turn the lights to 100%.
Okay, setting the desk light brightness to 100%.
So that's pretty cool. I may turn it down a little bit just so she's not yelling at you, because when you first wake up, I don't know if I want to hear that loud. So let's try that lowest setting. Hey Google, dim the lights to 10%.
Sure, setting the desk light brightness to 10%.
Hope y'all like this review. I'm Kevin Reese. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button over here on the right. Hit the notification tab so you get notified when I post new videos. I'll see y'all next time.